So, good evening, everyone. This is Sandeep from Ambrish Patente. So, today I am very happy because of I passed the Italian driving license, and you can see my card also. So, I am very thankful to Ambrish sir and Ambrish Patente school because of how the teaching. When I joined the school, even I don't know the much Italian, but I passed the exam because of the way of teaching. Mr. Ambrish sir is very good and very, he will support a lot to us, not only me, to every student. He will take care of every student about the improvement of the classes and the improvement of the knowledge regarding to license. So everyone, I suggested to you, everyone who wanted to take the Italian driving license, they can join the Ambrish Quick Patante because of you can pass easily as well as in less time. That's why we can call the Ambrish Quick Patante because of I passed my exam in 3 months only. So that's why I'm very happy, and not only me, everyone will pass in very less time, and he will support a lot to students. So thank you so much, sir, for your support. And whoever third country nationalities, they can easily join with Ambrish Quick Patante, and they can get their Italian license, and then they can fulfill their dreams of traveling in Italian roads with the car. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your support. So thank you.